also believe that it's showing that ANC, that people still have a huge confidence in the ANC to continue to lead the next term of government, and we are very, very grateful and appreciative of it. When people talk about poverty, they are not imagining stories. When people talk about unemployment, they are not imagining. When people talk about certain challenges in service delivery, they are not imagining. It's just that what comes out in the media is an imbalanced story. When you talk to the people, they don't say the ANC is not building houses. They say the houses have been built in that village and that village and that village. What about us? They see, which is very different from saying the ANC is doing nothing. We think the ANC, firstly, the ANC is going to win, and the ANC is going to win decisively, and we leave the rest to the counters.